Winter is finally upon us here in Arizona, and that means we don't have to wear barefoot or minimal clothing and shoes as possible. We actually can start wearing boots. But with boots come with great responsibility, at least when we're no longer in our young years and we are starting to experience some creaks, aches, and pains in our bodies. My name is Dr. Jocelyn Conley. I'm a pelvic floor therapist here at Moment of Truth Physical Therapy, and in this video I want to go over some tips for you to apply when you are putting on and taking off tighter shoes, especially boots or anything that's closed and you can't just slip it on and off. I don't have boots on me, so I'm going to do my best. So first things first is I want you to sit down, especially if you know you are predisposed to having hip or back or some sort of issues around your midsection and legs. If you're pregnant as well, sit down. Second is I want you to just pay attention to what you would typically do if you were to sit down. A lot of people will cross their leg and then pull their hip and pull the shoe off. And that is okay, but if you've ever seen me before, I talk a lot about strategy. If you're going to pull your hip, you've got to make sure you have counter stability. So my tip for you is to gently draw your belly button in easy, so you're not sucking in and bracing, you're just connecting as you go to lift your leg. And then make sure you have that stability as you go to pull with your hand, pull with your leg. But even better than that is save your reps for the things you like to do and just untie, unzip, and pull off. But don't pull off with your arm. Pull off with your shoulder blade and your thoracic spine, because that will give you more power. But when you do that, you do need the core connection. And so connect, pull. That is my tip for you with taking off your shoes, especially if you are crossing your leg. One thing that I just want to bring up is how much hip motion you have matters. So if you haven't seen one of us lately, it'd be a good idea to get a check-in to see if your strategy is within your boundaries of your motion. And if it's not, what we can do to get you back on track so that you don't have an annoying slip up or incident just putting on your shoes or other articles of clothing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great holiday season, and I will see you later.